recent years, there has been a growing trend in the architecture world that blends different design philosophies to create unique and harmonious living spaces. One such trend is the tropical minimalist house design that incorporates elements of Japanese architecture. This hybrid style leverages the simplicity and functionality of minimalist design, the environmental responsiveness of tropical architecture, and the tranquil aesthetics of traditional Japanese homes. The result is a living space that is not only visually appealing, but also sustainable, comfortable, and deeply connected to nature. At the core of minimalist design is the idea of less is more. This philosophy emphasizes the elimination of unnecessary elements, focusing instead on simplicity, functionality, and the beauty of the essential. In a minimalist house, every element has a purpose. The layout is designed to maximize functionality and efficiency, ensuring that every space is used effectively. This often involves open floor plans that allow for flexible use of space and easy movement between different areas of the house. Minimalist architecture is characterized by its clean lines and simple geometric forms. The design avoids complex shapes and intricate details, opting instead for a more straightforward and uncluttered aesthetic. This simplicity helps create a sense of calm and order, which is a fundamental aspect of minimalist design. Living spaces are at the heart of any home, serving as the primary areas for relaxation, entertainment, and daily activities. In a tropical minimalist house with Japanese influences, the living spaces are designed to promote a sense of calm, harmony, and connection with nature while ensuring functionality and comfort. The dining and kitchen areas are central to any home, serving as hubs for family interaction, culinary creativity, and social gatherings. In a tropical minimalist house with Japanese influences, these spaces are designed with a focus on simplicity, functionality, and a seamless connection with nature. The courtyard is a central element in a tropical minimalist house with Japanese influences. It serves as a focal point that brings nature into the home, enhances the sense of space, and provides a tranquil retreat. The design of the courtyard incorporates principles from both tropical and Japanese architecture, creating a harmonious and serene environment that seamlessly integrates with the rest of the house. Bedrooms in a tropical minimalist house with Japanese influences are designed to be tranquil retreats that offer a serene environment for rest and relaxation. These spaces combine the simplicity and functionality of minimalist design with the natural and cultural elements of both tropical and Japanese aesthetics. The roof is a critical component in the design of a tropical minimalist house with Japanese influences. It serves not only as a structural element providing shelter, but also plays a significant role in the overall aesthetic and environmental performance of the home. The roof design integrates principles from both tropical and Japanese architecture, focusing on functionality, sustainability, and harmony with the natural surroundings. Open floor plans are a hallmark of minimalist design. By minimizing the use of walls and partitions, open floor plans create a sense of spaciousness and flow. This not only enhances the visual appeal of the space, but also promotes better interaction and communication among the occupants. A tropical minimalist house design with Japanese influences is a perfect example of how different architectural philosophies can be combined to create a unique and harmonious living space. By integrating the simplicity and functionality of minimalist design, the environmental responsiveness of tropical architecture, and the serene aesthetics of Japanese homes, this hybrid style offers a sustainable, comfortable, and visually appealing living environment. This approach not only enhances the quality of life for the occupants, but also respects the cultural heritage and natural surroundings. As the trend towards sustainable and culturally sensitive design continues to grow, the tropical minimalist house with Japanese influences is likely to become an increasingly popular choice for homeowners and architects alike.